DW Sentry helps provide insight into your Azure SQL data warehouse. The metrics shown can help you identify and begin diagnosing query and process performance issues. The data movement dashboard has 3 areas. The distribution activity shows the distributions per node and can pinpoint unbalanced activity. In this data warehouse, there are 60 distributions. The non-numbered column at the beginning is the control node. For T-SQL queries against a SQL data warehouse, the control node transforms them into queries that run against each distribution in parallel. The middle row shows each of the compute nodes. Compute nodes provide the computational power available. The data movement service coordinates the data movement between the compute nodes. Throughout the data movement dashboard, the colors map to each compute node. The highlighted graph on the bottom determines the metrics viewed in the top and middle rows. Clicking on any of the metrics will change the information above. For elapsed time, you can see both the query time and total elapsed time. You can also click on any of the compute nodes to narrow the top row into the distributions for that compute node. Like all of our other dashboards, you can zoom in and highlight, and use the Jump To functionality to jump to the Distributed Queries tab, Loads, Backups, and Restores tab, or the Event Calendar. In the Distributed Queries pane, we can see active and completed requests. We can also see the different request steps and SQL requests that were broken out for each request. Like our top SQL pane, we can sort and filter. We can also group by dragging a column name into the space above. For requests, we can also see the Runtime Stats. The Loads, Backups, and Restores tab is broken into 2 panes. The top is the Loader Backup Runs grid, and this shows the data loads along with backups and restores. And then for each process, there is a Loader Backup Run Details grid that provides more granular information. As with all of our products, you can make use of advisory conditions to alert you to issues that might impact performance. Steve Wright has written a blog post outlining several helpful advisory conditions for your Azure SQL data warehouse and also provides a download of those. That blog post can be found here. DW Sentry provides you with the information that you need to find and troubleshoot performance problems on your Azure SQL data warehouse.